Hello everyone, our topic is restaurant innovation. The team member is Fengshan and Dongyu. We interviewed Eric. He said, when the restaurant first opened, we had a lot of customers. But after a while, the restaurant became not popular. So our problem is let's repeat customers. When we pass the data analysis, many food and beverage outlets will find that the proportion of old customers is very low and the proportion of new passengers is very large. In fact, this is a dangerous signal, especially in the crowded pedestrian street, because your business start for the beginning. There is no change and impact on the amounts, but the loss of old customers show that you have done a lot of sales, and many customers have been taken away by others. The second reason is the change in people's lifestyles. For myself, sometimes I can't go to the restaurant for various reasons. It may be because of time, it may be due to weather, or I'm too lazy. So our solution is designed a takeaway plan for about restaurants. Our plan for name is Among Style. As a service industry, the creative industry is very depending on the popularity of users, and smartphone users as the world's largest user population, while creating become the largest market for the creative industry. According to research firm Statista, the U.S. online food distribution market is likely to grow from nearly 17 billion in 2018 to more than 2014 billion in 2023. This shows that the U.S. takeaway market is promising. This picture is the great market share of the U.S. takeaway platform. There is no such thing as a company in the U.S. takeaway market that can occupy a large market share.
This is the competitive advantage of our platform. Our delivery fee is flat. You only need to pay a monthly fee to avoid all delivery fee. You have changed different delivery fee depending on the restaurant. Uber Eats changed $4.99 per order. Group Cube provide takeaway service and require your order amount to reach the minimum consumption. In addition, our takeaway provide real-time set updates so customer can see where their food has arrived. Finally, choose a meal time is our specialty. For example, if you book a breakfast at 9 the next morning, our staff will deliver your breakfast on time. This is very useful for popular daily life. Our business model relies mainly on restaurant advantage fee and monthly customer fee. Restaurant can pay a advertising fee for our platform to advertise for them, and we will design some advantage space for them on the homepage. Uh, we We plan to promote the platform in Tempe in 2020, and the next year expanded our user to AZ. Strive to have our customers across the West Coast by 2025. We plan to need a strand capital of 10,000, 2,000 of which used to promote our platform. $8,000 is used to product our platform. This is our team member. Dongyu is the salesman. Fengshan is the platform design. Our company name is almost there. An innovative takeaway platform. We will be on time when you need it most. If you are interested about us, you can contact us.